So hey guys, in this video we will create timestamp animation in After Effects. So let's start. So first of all we need to create a straight line like this. Make sure your line is straight. Change the fill color to null and change the stroke to white color. You can also change the stroke breadth according to your requirement. After this, we need to scale the line. Now we are going to create proper line animation. So firstly, select your shape layer and right click on mouse and make this shape layer to pre-compose. For now, so firstly we need to make a star like this. Select your shape layer and go for polystar path and change the point to this. So select your shape layer of the stroke option and fill this triangle shape with blue color. So one more thing, we change our polygon point to 4%. After this I select my shape layer and give them a rotation. Make sure your anchor point in center. After making a diamond shape, it's look like a diamond, so we can call this to diamond shape. After this, select your line animation and zoom out this. After this we can easily saw point A to point B, and we just need to place our diamond shape to all over the line like this. After this, I just select all the diamond shapes and make them recompose. Let's apply all the text. After this, similar to previous one, just select all of your numbers and recompose this also. And create a null object. Select all of your layer and create a pre-compose. So I simply increase the line. After this, I link my pre-compose selected layer to null. Select your null one layer and go to the properties and make all the keyframe like opacity, rotation, scale and position. Here you can easily see the keyframes. So firstly select all of your keyframes and move according to your video requirement. So simply I take out my animation out of the frame, something like this. After that, I select my all of keyframes and give him to a smoother animation. So I press F9 and enable motion blur. Now we are going to our main composition and give them a deep glow. So for example, I import my client video so you can easily understand the beauty of our line animation. And one more step we need to do is just select your shape layer and go to shape option and choose rectangle tool. After this, make a small rectangle. After applying this, your animation looks like this, like your animation mask with the shape layer. And after go to the mask, increase the mask feather and also increase the mask expansion as your requirement. If you like this animation, want more videos like this, so please like the video and also press the bell icon so I can make more videos like this.